3 studs. And this nut there in the centre will be hard to get off. So you'll need a 65. It's the right thread.
Take this off of where you?
Take her off there, Pat. Let's give her a wee wipe here. Give the wee base. A wee clean there as well. Slide her on there, Pat, when you've got her in your hand there. Slide her back on the axle there. Slide her on nice and gentle. Push her on there. Get her centered up there. Shake her left and right. She'll come. Keep her pushed in there. Keep her pushed in. That's her. Now we'll fit the centre bearing, outer bearing, and put the nut back on again. Spacer in, bearing in, tighten up the nut, and then we'll put the caliper back on again and hinge to the brake pads. So that's the operation on a Ford Transit. Looks worse than it is. Straightforward, simple job. It's a common MOT fail on the older Transits, the 2014 model, and they remove it off the hub here, remove the ABS ring, and you get all the wee studs right around the back on the back plate there, and this will pop off here, not too tight. Then everything's reversed. Then you just go on. Put on the hub, put the ABS ring back on again, put the bearings, then put the half shaft on last. Then. So we'll put the spacer on now, the bearing in, we'll tighten her up, I'll torque her down, then we'll put on the half shaft. Then we'll have to check the axle for oil then when you're finished. So that's the operation on the rear rig disc on a Transit. That's a straightforward, simple job. So we've got this back in again, back on, tighten the big nut there. And line up the hole here in the half shaft for here. So there you go. So to remove the half shaft, stood there. That just pulls out and back in.